Hey there guys, I'm back again, and today, as you can see, we're gonna unbox the Styletone box. And as you can see, I literally devour these boxes. So I already took the liberty to open it. This is the inside of this month's box, and like I mentioned in my last video, we're gonna do it this way because of the fact that I did my third microneedling appointment and my face is blown up and red and bloody, and nobody needs to see that, and I'm not allowed to wear makeup for a couple of days. So yeah, we're not gonna do that, okay? What I would like from you guys, if you comment down below whether you like these kind of unboxings, so you know, not my face, just put the stuff here and then unboxing, or if you guys like to actually see my face. And be honest, you know, I don't mind. This is actually easier for me to do because I don't need to do my hair, I don't need to do my makeup. So if you like this, I'm gonna continue doing unboxings this way. If not, of course, not a problem at all. I'll put in my face and, you know, we can actually look at each other, I guess. But let me know in the comment section down below, because I've noticed that with the last video that I did like this, not the goodie box, like the video I put up yesterday, but the video before that goodie box when I did my last appointment actually did very, very well. So yeah, please do let me know in the comment section down below. And before we get to unboxing, the first thing that I still wanted to mention in between is make sure to check out my giveaway. I put a lot of stuff in this little satchel, and what I actually put in here extra is a Tarte lip gloss in the color Deuce. So make sure to check that out. We're only about 40 subscribers or something away, I think even less than 40, to reach 600 subscribers. I'm going to give this away worldwide. So let me know in the comment section down below. Have you guys entered the giveaway? Yes, no? If not, please go check out that video and enter. Okay, and now we're going to get unboxing. Okay, where's my booklet? Oh, it's right down here. I was just about to say, I'm missing the booklet. But the booklet is over here. It's the Styletone November box, Happy Glow. Huh? Wait a minute. The goodie box was Happy Glow as well. So what is up with November and Glow? Did I miss something? I don't know. Does anybody know why every box is forcing the glow thing so much? I don't understand. Leave it again down below. Wow, you guys got to leave a lot of stuff down below. Okay, let's move on to the first item, which is from Styletone, I think. Yeah, it's the banana setting powder, and I'm always happy to receive a setting powder, but I will say banana setting powders usually are very, very yellow, which is kind of a good thing because my skin actually is yellow. I'm from I want to say Mediterranean area, but actually we don't have the Mediterranean Sea. Croatia has the Adriatic Sea, but we're all like a peach bronzy tone color. We don't really have pink undertones. So banana setting powder is actually very good. Now let me just check out in the booklet. Let's see, this is not it. Oh, there we go. Styletone. The banana setting powder is €17.05. Okay, I'm gonna move the box over here so I can place the products here. So the next item in this box is this really, really big brush, and I'm actually gonna get it out of the foil because I love brushes and I love using them, so I know I'm gonna use this one. Holy cow, this stuff is soft, wow. This brush is from Creative Cosmetics, as we can see, and let me just check out what brush this is exactly. It's over here. From Creative Cosmetics, it's the Finishing Touch brush, and it costs €19.95. Okay, so let's open up this beautiful satchel with beautiful things inside. Ooh, there's something big in here. Let me just check out what that is from Secret. Y'all remember? This is the Aqua Blast Land Seal Mask. What? Hydrating and smoothing. Ooh, that sounds very, very good, because hydrating is always good in my book, especially now with the microneedling treatment. Very nice. Let me check out the booklet. This must be, I wanted to say this must be a full size, but this is Styletone. Every item is full size. There we go. Secret Spa Hydrating and Smoothing Mask. It costs €9.95. Okay, we have 2 more items in here. There we go. And then the box is empty. One of the items is a lip balm from Youth Lab. Okay, y'all know I don't really use a balm. The last balm that we received actually wasn't like, it was the EOS balm, and it wasn't like a regular balm because that one had like glitters in it and stuff, so I could still use it. This looks like a regular lip balm, and I'm actually gonna give this away to my sister for either, I don't know, Sinterklaas or Kerst. I wanted to say or Christmas. Sorry, that's Dutch. Christmas is Kerst in Dutch, so Dutch word of the day. Anyway, this is from Youth Lab. Like I said, the lip balm costs €9, and since I'm gonna give it to my sister anyway, I'm gonna open it and see. Ooh, look at that. See, it's got like this little dent over here. I'm not gonna push or anything, but it looks very nice. Oh, it actually smells very nice. It smells very fresh. What's in here? It says instant smoothing and nourishing care for younger looking lips. And it's actually got like this minty smell to it. So that's pretty awesome. Okay, now we're going to move on to the last item, which is this. And this is from VQ. Am I pronouncing that right? Rose Gold Hydro Glow Cream, the dewy cream. This is made with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, wow, pearl powder, and gold extract. And I think, don't hit me with a rock, but I believe that this is one of those, because I don't think this is an actual moisturizer. I think this is more of a, what you call it, like those creams that you put on before your foundation to have like this glow or whatever, and that's something that I do not use. So let's see, it's VQ Beauty. It's the Rose Gold Hydro Glow Cream, and it costs €30.95. That is ridiculous. I think that you can actually do this in combination with this brush, you know, to smooth it into your skin. But honestly, I don't use that stuff. So let me just check. Yeah, it says over here also usable as a highlighter. And the cream you could put on your face, neck, and décolletage. And you can only use this pretty much for a healthy glow or use it as a primer for your makeup. What I could, however, do with this fella is use it as like a body glow. But honestly, I have a lot of those already, so I don't know. I'm not going to use this. You know what? Let's see if it fits in the satchel in the giveaway. I'm going to promote my giveaway here. Let me just check if it actually fits, and if it fits in here and I can actually close the satchel, that is another thing extra in this giveaway. Oh, I'm afraid I can't close this. Oh no, come on, fit, please fit. Yes, yeah, I have to squeeze it in a little bit, but I hope it won't break though if I do this. Shoot, would this satchel break? You know, chances are the satchel's gonna break. And I don't want it to break, clearly, because I wanted to give it away, so it's not supposed to break. Wow, this is, guys, this is packed full. I mean, look at that. It is like full. Okay, guys, so I put it in here. Y'all get the extra VQ Beauty worth €30.95 in this giveaway as well. Make sure to check out that video. Hashtag shameless self-promotion, but be sure to check it out. Okay guys, I'm looking at the box. The box is empty, so I'm gonna throw the box away. These are the items, and of course that one glow thing that I put in the satchel I'm not gonna use anyway. This I'm gonna give to my sister. This I'm gonna use, this I'm gonna use, this I'm gonna use. So 3 out of 5 items. It's an okay box. It's definitely not a bad box. I think this is a solid, good box, but ooh, I'm so freaking excited for this. Look at this, look at this. It's a sneak peek. It says over here, a sneak peek from 1 out of 6 products from the December box. And looking at this little sneak peek, it is a eyeshadow palette. And holy smokes, I know Tarte has these palettes. with these like shapes. Of course, this is not going to be Tarte because hello, that's kind of expensive to get, but a girl can dream, can't she? But this looks awesome. So I cannot wait for the December Styletone box. Okay guys, that is it for this month's box. Let me know in the comment, you know what, no, I'm not even gonna do that. I asked you guys so much to put in that comment section already, like we're not gonna do that. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Y'all deserve a medal, especially if you actually are gonna put everything in the comment section, then holy cow, you're my hero. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next unboxing, which is gonna be the B-Lux box. And yeah, like I said, let me know, should I do it this way or with the face in the camera? See you guys next time. Bye.